Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with ADP for year-end tax document access step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the ADP login page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Input your password in the password field. Click the Sign In button to access your account. If you encounter a multi-factor authentication prompt, follow the instructions displayed. You may receive a security code via email or SMS. Retrieve the code and input it into the specified field. Press the Verify button to complete the authentication process. Once logged in, locate the Year-End Tax Documents section on the dashboard. Click on the section to access your tax documents. Select the year you need documents for from the available options. Review the list of documents provided for that year. Click on the specific document you wish to access or download. Follow any prompts to download or view the document as needed. Ensure you save the document in a secure location for your records. Log out of your ADP account once you have completed your tasks. This concludes the authentication process for accessing your year-end tax documents with ADP. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.